In a village named Stilo, there lived two farmer friends who were wealthy. They had 3 farms each. They had so many cows and cattle. They were the richest farmers of the village. Despite all the wealth, they were not happy. They desired to increase their wealth more and more. Except for these two farmers, there was another farmer in the village who was poor. He had only one farm and a cow, whom he used to love very much. Despite being poor, he was very happy and used to live his life peacefully. Every night before going to sleep, he used to thank God for whatever he has given him. The two rich farmers used to see that poor farmer always happy. Seeing him this happy, they used to worry about.
Brother, despite of being a poor farmer, how is he so happy?
He isn't wealthy like us. Neither he has farms and cattle like us. Despite of that, how he could be so happy?
Whenever they used to meet him, they used to make fun of him and his destitution, and used to show off their opulence. But the poor farmer remains calm. But none of this used to affect him, which made them even more furious. Days passed like this. One day, both of the rich farmers decided to upset the poor farmer and visit to that poor farmer. They said,
Give us your cow, and in return we will give you 100 silver coins, which is enough for your cow.
The poor farmer denied to sell his cow as he was very affectionate about it, and he didn't want to sell his cow at any cost. His denial to sell the cow didn't go well with the rich farmers, and they thought of taking revenge.
See how arrogant he is. Don't even listen to us. Now wait and watch what we will do to you.
That night, both the rich farmers went to the poor farmer's farm and set all his crops on fire so that the poor farmer has to sell his cow for money. The next morning, when the poor farmer woke up and went to his farm, he started crying, seeing his farm in this condition.
Oh God, I haven't done wrong to anyone. Then why has someone burned all my crops? What will I do now?
He was very upset and came home all the way crying. Now he was having cash crunch and didn't had enough money to buy food for his cow. Seeing this, the farmer said,
How will she survive without food? It's better to sell her. At least somewhere someone will keep her happy. Please forgive me for this. I have no other way.
He decided to sell his cow. So he took it to another village. He also took 10 silver coins along with him. While crossing a forest on the way, he thought,
If someone attacks and takes all the silver coins from me,
that's why he hides the bag of silver coins in the cow's bell collar. After walking all day, he felt tired and thought of resting in a lodge. And he tied the cow with a pole of lodge and went inside. Suddenly, a silver coin dropped from the cow's bell collar, which the owner of the lodge noticed.
I think it's a magical cow, which gives silver coins. Maybe this silver has also come from this cow.
When the poor farmer came outside the lodge after resting, the owner of the lodge asked him,
Hey mister, where are you going?
Then the poor farmer said,
I am going to another village to sell my cow.
Hearing this, the owner of the lodge became happy and he said,
You don't need to go to another village. I'll buy your cow.
The owner of the lodge gave the farmer 1,000 silver coins and asked him for his cow. The amount was much more than the cow's actual price. Thinking this as God's signal, the farmer sold his cow to the lodge owner and happily returned to his village. After returning back home, the farmer started counting the silver coins when suddenly the wealthy farmers came to visit him and were surprised to see that the poor farmer has 1,000 silver coins. So they asked the poor farmer,
From where did you get all these silver coins?
Then the poor farmer answered smiling,
I have sold my cow and got these silver coins in return.
The wealthy farmers were upset thinking that now the poor farmer will buy more cattle with these coins and will become wealthier than them. A bad deed has a bad result.